Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here and never seen any of my videos, please click that subscribe button. And thank you for taking an interest in watching one of my videos. Now today, I'm back because I was supposed to do a style tutorial, which we're going to do. So the only thing you're going to need is some clips to hold your hair, especially if you have long hair, and some little some black rubber bands. Okay, so I just want to first start off by saying that in the last video, I was saying how I twisted my locks first and then added some water oil mixture and then used a hair dryer. So I reverse twisted my hair, my locks. So it's been a week and this is what it's looking like. So the front looks funny. It's a little more puffier. My front always loosens up before the rest of my locks. So I think it's doing pretty good. I think one or two of the inner locks may have come loose, and I'm not gonna worry about those. Some of them has still stayed, but let's get with this tutorial. So I need to move fast because this might end up being long again. I'm still looking over there. My camera's over here. And I'm just gonna, might have to edit it and speed it up. So first we're gonna do a mohawk. So like I said, we're going to just put our hair in a mohawk using the little rubber bands. And the smaller your sections are, the better it'll be. But try not to do them too small. And try not to put your rubber bands way too tight. Because when you're through with the style, you're going to end up cutting them out. I hope you're going to end up cutting them out. Because that's what I did. Carefully cut them out. Try to stack your ponytails on top of one another. On top of one another. Guys, forgive me, it's hot in here. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. Alright. I think I got 3 sections now. So it's gonna be so uneven. Let's see if I can do it from the front. Ouch. So I'm just still making little ponytails all the way up to the top. Yeah. Oh, why not? I think. And as you can see, I'm only wrapping my little black rubber bands around. once, then folding it and wrapping it around again, so twice. All right, now for the top. So what I did for the top, I just went back and added, I think my ponytails are crooked, they're not lined up. I just added the hair to the other ponytails. Oh well. It is what it is. Whew, this was hot. All right. I'll do something different here. So you just want to pull the hair back and add it to your existing ponytails, or however you want to do it. I know some of you might be doing your mohawks differently, which is okay as long as it's a mohawk. It was easier for me to section my hair off like this. All right, so don't judge me. Oh, put that in already. I can tell this one's about to be really stubborn. What is that? And last but not least, okay. So now we get all our hair into a mohawk. Oop, what is that? No. No, Jana, no, Jana, no, Jana. What you thought? Okay. Just gonna fix this real quick. What's this? No. And no. Alright. So that side's fine. The other side come out weird. Okay, I guess that'll work. So now here's the Mohawk. We're gonna start at the top. Now this section that I took out, I'm gonna be braiding. Maybe. Or if if you want, you can cornrow it. I'm just gonna braid it back like so. And then I'm gonna split it. I'm gonna braid it up to the rubber band. I'm gonna split it in 2 sections. Wrap it around the rubber band until you get to your first ponytail. Okay? So you should be holding on to your first ponytail here with the rest of the hair. Grab a rubber band. Grab a rubber band too. And take them 2 sections together along with the ponytail and put them together. Get it right, get it right. So it should be looking like this. So now we're gonna take this section and we're gonna twist it. Like so. And if you have any little small locks in there, make sure you grab those too. And then we're gonna pull this to the next ponytail past this one. So it's gonna be going to this ponytail here. You add them 2 sections, then add a rubber band. Okay, I'm just unraveling the twist. So then you're gonna take this here, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna twist it. Make sure your other locks is out the way, and you're gonna go to the ponytail behind this one. And you're gonna add them 2 sections. And of course, put them in a rubber band. Okay. Then you're gonna take this next section and do the same thing. And we're gonna do that all the way to the back. Oh, look at that. Skip that section and go on to the new ponytail, the next ponytail. And I didn't even wrap that around twice. I wrapped it around, I just put the rubber band around it because it's getting thicker back there. And you take the next section and you do the same thing. See, that's where it gets funny. Very, very, very funny. Well, mine do anyways. Then skip that ponytail, go on to the next ponytail, which this one is my last ponytail. Just gonna add that rubber band to there. That was a very loose rubber band. So then you take that final section and twist it as best as you can, cause see mine, the longer pieces that came from the front actually get shorter. Just gonna twist it as best as we can and add it to that last ponytail. And I already filled the flyaways. So there you have it. Those are my little shorties. I'm gonna try to clean it up a little bit. And that's how you get your incredible mohawk. Alright, so you can go in and just fix it up, try to make it look better. I just want to try and see what it looked like with the braid. It looks kind of weird. So if you like this, thumbs up and comment below. It would be nice to see pictures, you know, of what you did. You know, a little quick video. So that's your incredible mohawk with the rubber bands. You can even put this little ponytail in a bun if you don't want hair up on your neck. Wow, did I really miss that? So, nothing fancy. I mean, it could be fixed, but it is what it is. So, sorry guys, you know it's really hot. But thumbs up this video if you like this tutorial. I'm gonna try and come back with another tutorial soon, hopefully at the end of the month. But hey, it is what it is. It's a little messy, but you know, it's a video. I'm gonna have to speed it up anyways. When you do yours, take your time, make it look neater. Hook it up. So that's it for this video. And I hope to see you next time. Clicking on my channel, liking them videos, subscribing and all that. Until next time, YouTube, toodles.